I think I did my I should say this. I did my part because even though he did not say that to me, at least I said that to him. Now we got separated after that, and the medications will kill you. I was bedridden for about 3 months, and
Well, I don't think that it's gonna kill you, but uh, based on the research that I have read recently, that it
mhm.
says that it's curable for your disease. It's actually curable.
No, it's not curable. It's treatable. It's very different. Um, yeah, that what happened. So, well, there are some cases like about 7 people that has been cured or 8 people has been cured. But I can't afford that. It's called stem cell therapy. I'm not so sure about the correct term for that. And for Southeast Asian perspective, that's kind of so expensive. So yeah, since it's for free, the medications is for free. I just go with the treatable. I mean, the treatment. I don't know. And I tried to reach him like about a year ago as well, and I found out that he is working at the BPO right now. So
What is it?
call center.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Honestly, if he okay, if he already know his status before, and maybe he's just afraid to tell that to me.
I don't
I don't
think
know.
so.
Maybe yeah. Uh, because I will not I'm against I will not hate him for having that. I just want to protect myself. So um maybe I don't know. Just let me protect myself that time. I just want him to do that. Maybe just say that to me. Because it's a crime here in the Philippines. I mean, if you already know your status and you're still doing those things, it um like some people I mean can put you into jail. Maybe he just don't know his status.
I think he knows.
What gives you that impression?
Yeah, I
Because
think
of the
because
because of the blocking and you know those
yeah, I
things.
think yeah, based on what you say, I think that he is seeking on for something else. It's not that
Oh
he
my god.
knows, but yeah, he knows, but he just want you to be like him.
Oh my god.
And
Oh,
that sounds
it's just so sad.
terrible, but it's actually
Yeah.
what it is.
I'm hearing that from a stranger right now. I don't know. It's just so sad.